KWIKOT ATW Heat Pump LinkWarm Series, multiple anti-freezing protection. Large screen display, one system for all comfort needs. Heating, cooling, domestic hot water, high efficiency DC electric motor, full inverter technology ensure reliable performance and energy savings. Choose from 2 indoor unit options for your specific needs. Auto heat to raise temp, kill harmful bacteria. Uses BR290 natural refrigerant. Harmless to the ozone layer.
There are more options to choose from.